Kind attention. Now, the last train on Monday to Friday departs from all terminals at 11:45 p.m. and on Saturday and Sunday at 11.